They just don't make them like they used to.
Out of this collection here, this is the oldest. This is 1868.
It's not that Eric Hollenbeck doesn't believe in modern equipment. It's just that he believes you should know how to use old equipment first.
If you can learn the basics, then jump into technology as far as you can take it.
Eric is the founder of Blue Ox Millworks. You may recognize him from the TV show The Craftsman on Magnolia.
We take forgotten treasures, we can do this, and give them new life.
Eric is one of the most respected woodworkers in America because of his keen knowledge of pre-20th century craftsmanship.
You only show up at Blue Ox when nobody else can do it.
He's worked on some of the most historic buildings in the United States.
That came from Martha's Vineyard. Set of doors, these ones are going to Piedmont. We just did wooden redwood gutter for Emily Dickinson's house in Massachusetts.
But the work that is near and dear to his heart is upkeeping the Victorian-style buildings in his hometown of Eureka.
It would be Eagle House, the Carson Mansion, as we do all the restoration work on the Carson Mansion.
Eric got his start fixing rotten or weathered pieces on historic homes and businesses. The historic Carson Mansion is the most recognizable building that Eric has worked on, but there are so many more restoration projects in town.
In Eureka, a really unique town, we have 68% of our original structure still standing. Let me see. All right. Oh, nice.
On top of restoring America's historic buildings, Eric is teaching the next generation of woodworkers. Every year, he takes a group of youth and teaches them his craft. The program was even featured in a short documentary called The Ox.
And this is 3 years after Abraham Lincoln.
If you want to experience some of the restoration at Blue Ox Millworks, you can take one of the daily tours through the shop. You may just learn something about the past that'll help you in the future.
Once you understand the roots of it, then take it and run with it. Go as far as you want.
From Blue Ox Millworks in Eureka, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroads.